Hi everyone, good to see you here again. This time Miss Paw Paw and Miss Broccoli are standing by the window and having a chat. Let's go and have a look. Miss Broccoli, it's a sunny day. Would you like to go hiking? I know there's a beautiful place just nearby our home. Sure, I can wait. My heart is flying away. Oh, look at the sky, the mountains and trees. We are surrounded by the nature. I can feel that my body and soul are smiling. This stunning scenery helps me get rid of stress and worries, but what I concern is how far it is. Here, it's here, Miss Broccoli. Can you see something beautiful? Look, there's a flower on the ground. And what else? The dragonfly is flying in front of the flower. Yes, and then? Then a bee comes to join the party. It's just right above the flower. What about something underground? Oh, worms are wiggling in the soil. Spot on. Next to the flower, there's a clump of grass. And something is long and yellow. Oh, two peepers between the flower and grass catch my eyes. You're right, and something is like an umbrella. Yeah, mushroom play hide and seek, just standing behind the grass. Could you see something small on the ground? Under the flower, ants go marching one by one. Such a calm place to take a rest. Life is beautiful, isn't it? Now, it's time to recap the 8 prepositions we heard in the story. On 在上面 above 在上方 in front of 在前面 under 在下面 behind 在后面 next to 在旁边 between 在什么中間 and 在里面 Thanks for your time and encouragement. It's good to read your comments. Don't forget to drop a like, share the video, and subscribe the channel. See you next time.